Okay, good morning. Once again, for size 1, for size 3, I see it again. This is a second lesson for fourth week. I think the second lesson. Okay, so very unfortunate today. Our lesson is on the first lesson, 8:30, very early. I understand. It's very early for you. But if you can wake up, you have a very good discipline, you can wake up to attend this lesson, okay, I must congratulate you, okay? You have very good self-discipline, okay? For those who are still on the bed, so I hope lah, okay, they will join the lesson later on, okay? So please help me to inform them also lah. I'm sure some of them still on the bed, sleeping, enjoying now. I'll wake them up, please, okay? Right. I hope you all can hear me and can see that because this morning I'm teaching from school. I'm in school now. Okay, I need to come to school today because of a lot of things to do later on. Okay, okay. So I start sharing the paper with you. Okay, so to start our revision. I hope you all already printed out the paper now. I hope you all printed out the paper yesterday. I sent to you all, right? Okay, come look at this paper. Can you all see the paper or not? Can you all see? Ping Hao can see or not?
And
Can all right. So I think yesterday we started this set of paper lesson. This is lesson set 3, correct not? Set 3. So we started this one. We have discussed, and I think we stop somewhere here. This part, right? Correct not? Ping Hao. We stop here, correct?
yes,
Okay. You all printed out the paper or not? You all have your paper with you now? Esther, do you have the paper with you now? Esther, how do you have the paper? How Hanji, do you have the paper? Yes, I think most of you got a paper lah, Okay, come, we move on. Section C. This one is an essay question. You need to answer on foolscap paper. Okay, you're going to get this kind of question in your final year exam one, okay? Essay meaning you have to write very long answer. Okay, come look at the question. Table below shows a hydraulic jack. Hydraulic means this diagram lah. The diagram placed wrongly. This one. This is hydraulic jack. Okay, this hydraulic jack is used to jack up the car. You see, jack up the car. But you are not going to learn how this thing works lah. You just need to know the criteria of the oil because this machine to jack up the car, they use oil. They use oil here. Okay, when you push this pedal down or up, down, and up, right? The oil will compress the piston and then to push up the car. So they are using oil here. There's a type of liquid oil here now. Okay, come, let me take out the pen first. They are using oil. You see here now, got oil here, now here, hydraulic oil. Okay. So they are oil inside now. When you push here, so the oil will compress and then push the piston up to jack up the car. So now they are asking you to choose the characteristics of the oil here. Okay. So now, paper show the hydraulic jack lifting the back portion of the car. Okay, there are 4 features now, 4 types of oil. You're supposed to choose one now. K, L, M, N. Okay, first one is boiling point. Boiling point, when you write your answer, right, you don't write the number, don't choose which number. You only write high boiling point or low boiling point. The oil they use must have high boiling point or low boiling point. The next one is specific heat capacity. So you are asked to choose that. So once again, don't state the number, which one you want. You say high specific capacity or low specific capacity, then you give your reason now. And the third one is a density of the oil. Same thing, you either write high density or low density. Don't stick the number, okay? And the last one is rate of evaporation. The liquid, the oil, you want it to be high rate of evaporation or low rate of evaporation. So you have to state the reason. Okay, how to answer this question? Okay, 10 marks, you know, you cannot play with this question. Okay, now you see the question. Table show 4 types of liquid with different specification. You are required to determine the most suitable liquid that can be used as a hydraulic fluid in the hydraulic jet. Okay, so based on these 4 things, boiling point, specific heat capacity, density, rate of evaporation. Okay, all right. To answer this question now, okay, come. We discuss very fast lah. Later on, only don't write your answer now. Later on, I will show you the answer. Okay, what about boiling point? Boiling point, you choose high or low? How do you think the boiling point should be high or should be low?
High.
High boiling point. Yes, correct. What is the reason, How do you know or not?
Prevent the oil from boiling easily.
Yes, correct. Very good answer. Okay, because when you keep pushing down, up, to check the car, you become hot one, you know. So you don't want the oil to get boiled very fast. Okay, don't want. So you need to choose a type of high boiling point, to prevent the liquid or the oil from boiling now when you're using it. Okay, that's done one. Okay, next one, specific capacity. How about specific heat capacity? High or low? Nicole, are you here? Nicole Chua.
Yes.
Nicole,
Yeah.
can you state your
High.
choice?
High
High or low?
specific. High.
Yes, correct. The oil must have high specific heat capacity. What is the reason, Nicole?
It will not be easily become hot.
Yes, very good. Okay. When you choose specific heat capacity high, right, it won't get hot very fast. So it's good, right? The machine wouldn't be hot. Okay, that's the reason. Okay, next one, what about density? What about density? Leong Jian-sing, what about density?
Low.
Low. Okay, good. Correct. Why then? Why must be low density, Leong?
Easy to carry.
Yes, correct. It wouldn't be so heavy. The machine wouldn't be so heavy, right? Because low density means it's lighter, easy to carry, easy to move around, right? Okay, one more. Rate of evaporation. You want high or low? Evaporate. You want it to be evaporate easily or you don't want it to evaporate? So which one are you going to choose? Kailin Yao. Kailin, can you come up, please? Kailin Yao. Kailin not around. Okay, come. Caleb, can you please come up, Caleb? I saw your name there, Caleb. Caleb said yes. Okay, Caleb, you want to choose low rate of evaporation or high rate of evaporation? Caleb? Caleb cannot talk. Yes, low, Caleb. You are correct. Low. Low rate of evaporation. It must be low. Okay, the reason is what? The reason, if it is high rate of evaporation, it will dry up very fast. You know, when you leave the machine 1 day, 2 days, it dry up already. Once it dry up, no more water, no more liquid, no more oil, so it cannot be used, right? So you have to choose a type with low rate of evaporation. If low rate of evaporation, you keep it 1 year, 2 years, There are still oil inside the machine, still can be used. Understand? Okay, now to answer the question now, okay, you answer in a table form. Okay, please copy the answer now. Answer in a table. Okay, table now. So remember now, this time of a question now, you don't write long essay. You give your answer in a table. Okay, on the left side, you put suggestion. You don't need to follow here. You can put suggestion. On the right, you put reason. Okay, here don't say characteristic you put your suggestion. Here reason. Okay, the first one, as we say, high boiling point. We want high boiling point. Not easy to get boiled. Okay, that's the reason. 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Next one, high specific heat capacity, right? High specific capacity. It can't be easily become hot. That's the answer. Okay. Third, low density. Is not heavy, easy to move around, easy to carry, correct not? And last, low rate of evaporation, must be low. So the volume of liquid will not vaporize. So it still remains there even though you keep it for 1 year, 2 years, still inside there. Okay. Okay, please write answer in the form of table. And inside the table, you get 8 marks only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But it's 10 marks. Another 2 marks mean you state your choice like this one. You state liquid L is chosen. 1 mark. Then you skip the reason one more time. L has high boiling point, high specific capacity, low density, and low rate of vaporization. Okay? That's the way you answer now. Okay, please take down all the answer. On a foolscap paper, please. Hey, don't take a camera, go and take a picture. No, don't do that. Practice. Write it on a foolscap paper. Okay, do it now. Okay, do it now, everyone. This type question is in section P. Okay, section P, your long essay question. Okay, section P. Okay, hurry up, get it done. Okay, finish a lot. Finish, Okay, come. We look at the next question. Next question is here. Okay, question number 2 is also long essay question. Yeah, it's also on the topic heat. This is heat, topic heat. Diagram shows a doctor use a thermometer to measure body temperature. You see now, the doctor measure the body temperature. You see the boy inside the mouth of the boy, there's a thermometer, correct not? A thermometer here. Okay, the format of the question first part sure they ask definition. Okay, once again they ask what is the meaning of temperature. So temperature is what? What is temperature? So remember our lesson yesterday or not? What is temperature? What is temperature? Tan Hao Xiang, what is temperature? Tan Hao Xiang, what is temperature? Tan Hao Xiang. Hao Xiang, what is temperature?
Degree of hotness of a body.
Yes, degree of hotness. Just say degree of hotness. You say degree of measurements of hotness also can. Degree of measurements of hotness. Okay, so this one done already. Next one, this one 4 marks, you know. Explain in terms of thermal equilibrium. How the thermometer read the body temperature. How you need to explain, you know, how the thermometer used to measure temperature. How? Okay, roughly it's like this lah. You have to tell your story starting like this, you know. Okay, this Lim Yan Ming, what happened? In out, in out. Okay, you have to start telling your story like this, no? Start from when the doctor place the thermometer inside the mouth of the boy. Okay, you start from there. No? So what happened, what happened, what happened, what happened, right? Definitely, you have to use a keyword thermal equilibrium. Okay, so how to give the answer? Essay. This one you don't write essay, you write in point form. One idea, one sentence. Next idea, start another sentence. Understand? In sentences, okay? Not in long essay lah, no need. So how to give the answer here? Okay, I give you 1 minute. 1 minute, you try to jot down, use a pencil, jot down whatever idea you have on your foolscap paper. Later on, I show you the answer. Okay, come. Think of it, everybody. Think of the point, how you want to write the point. What happened after the doctor put the thermometer inside the mouth? Okay. So what happened then? Or maybe you can say the body temperature is higher than the temperature of thermometer lah. The temperature is higher, right? The body having fever, the boy. Okay. So the temperature of the patient is higher than the thermometer. So what happened? Heat flow. Okay, so you say now the heat flow from where to where. So the heat will continue to flow. So what happened to the thermometer? So the mercury, not mercury, they use alcohol. So the alcohol started to expand and the temperature rises like that, right? So the temperature continue to rise until certain time, certain period, then it will stop. Why it will stop? Because equilibrium already achieved. Then you write like that lah, to get 4 marks. Okay lah, to save time. See, you see what is the answer. Okay, you can write the first point. First mark is given the thermometer put under the tongue or put inside the mouth. Okay, all right, that's first mark. Thermometer put under the tongue or put under the tongue, put on inside the mouth. Okay, or put under the armpit also can. Okay. Okay, this one done or not? First one, please write this one. You get this one, you get 1 mark. Thermometer put under the tongue also got 1 mark already. Spelling not correct. Tongue way. So please write properly. No, this spelling is not correct. Okay. Second point. The heat transfer from the body to the thermometer. Okay, you see heat transfer lah, because body temperature is higher. Heat transfer from body to the thermometer. And third, not mercury, please. Don't copy this one. Cannot use mercury. Never put mercury inside your mouth. The patient can sue you, you know. What material supposed to use? Magnesium, not supposed to use mercury. So use what? Magnesium.
Alcohol.
Yeah, use alcohol. The thermometer must be alcohol thermometer, not mercury. Never put mercury inside people's mouth. Okay, so change this one to alcohol. Alcohol expand until reaches a state of thermal equilibrium. Okay, third mark. So the alcohol will expand to show the temperature go up until reach thermal equilibrium. And the last, the temperature of thermometer is same as the body lah. When thermal equilibrium is reached, Once thermal equilibrium is reached, right? So the temperature of the boil and the temperature of the thermometer become the same. So meaning that the temperature shown by the thermometer is the temperature of the body lah. Okay, that's how you get the 4 marks. All right, got it? Okay lah. I think this one not difficult lah. Okay, next question. Now 10 marks question again. They ask you to choose. Okay. Yeah, a little bit time. Okay, come read the question. The question is here. Now read the question here. A research project is carried out on the weather of region which surrounding temperature is between -40 degrees to -8. So meaning that the research involving the temperature between -40 to -8. So you need to choose a thermometer which can measure this temperature. Okay, you choose one now. I think the question, the rest you don't need, you just read yourself. Okay, now what are you supposed to choose? That the criteria are as this one: liquid use. Liquid use are mercury, alcohol. So you choose one. The second one, glass wall bulb. The glass wall bulb. Where is the glass wall bulb? And the diameter of the capillary tube. And the last one is a glass ball stem, and the cross section means the body of the thermometer line and the shape. Okay, come. What is the meaning of wall bulb? Okay, I'll show you here. I think it's supposed to be here. Okay, come. Okay, come on, it's here. Okay, come look at this diagram. This is a thermometer diagram. Can you all see the diagram or not? You can see. Anna, can see or not? Hao Xiang, can you see the thermometer?
Yes, sir.
Can okay. The thermometer, the bulb is here. This is a bulb. Where you keep the alcohol is here. This is glass wall bulb. The bulb should be here lah. And the stem is here. Stem is a body of the thermometer. The stem is here lah. Definitely the stem need to be thick lah. Thick because when the stem is thick, so the thermometer is stronger, not easy to break. And this one is capillary tube lah. Capillary tube. This capillary tube should be narrow so that mercury or alcohol can go up faster. It can go up faster. Then this bulb, right? The glass must be very thin. Very thin. You know why? When the glass ball here is thin, right? So the temperature heat easy to go in faster. Heat transfer inside faster. When go in faster, the alcohol will expand faster. So it makes the thermometer respond faster, more accurate. Okay, can respond faster. Okay. Yeah. And here you see why we choose alcohol. You see the reason is freezing point. Freezing point of mercury is -39. So when temperature lower until -39, it's already frozen. So cannot be used, right? So we cannot use alcohol, mercury. So you have to use alcohol because freezing point is very, very low, -112. -112 only will be frozen. So meaning that during lowest temperature, -40, right? It's still in the form of liquid, so still can be used lah, right? So that's the reason we choose alcohol. Okay. And this one is thin. The reason is heat can transfer into the thermometer faster. Mercury thermometer, this one capillary, choose smaller one, we can expand faster, more sensitive. Okay, and then the last one. Last one, you choose take. Sorry, can you change this one? This one cannot be plain, you know. This one is plain, okay? This one is curve. Curve, plane, curve. Okay, this one change to curve. Okay, can you change this one to curve? Curve, okay. C U R V E. Okay, it's curve. Okay, change. Everyone change this one. No, sorry, no need change. Sorry lah. Now mind you already changed. So the answer is you must choose the one thick and curve. Why thick? Thick means the stem is thicker, so the thermometer is stronger, not easy to break. And then why must choose a curve shape? Why then? What is the reason of choosing curve shape? Why must be curve? Why we choose the one with a curve shape? Why? Yong Ching Yen. Yong, can you come out, please? Yong.
Yes, sir.
Yong, why we choose a curve shape one? Why? Why?
Don't know.
You know, Lee, are you there? Lee,
Yes,
Lee, can you help? Why choose a curve shape one?
easy to hold.
Yes, correct. Curve shape are easy to hold, just like our pen. You see the pen, our pen also curve, also round shape, easy to hold. Okay, come, get down the answer. The answer is here. This one given not in the table, but you transform it into a table form now. First one, use alcohol. Reason, able to record low temperature, low freezing point. Okay, freezing point lower than the lowest temperature. Third, thin glass wall bulb, more sensitive to heat. Heat can enter thermometer faster when the glass is thin. Next, small diameter capillary tube, more sensitive to heat. More sensitive to heat. The alcohol can go up faster, so more sensitive, respond faster. And it must be thick and curved, okay? Not easy to break because thick, right? And curve is easy to read, easy to hold, right? And finally, we choose T because state the reason one more time. Okay, take down the answer, everyone. Okay, finish the answer. All size 3, many of them I didn't see their name here, Haris, Aiman, all they disappeared already. Where are they now? For size 3, how to go on like this? For size 3, Vera, I saw. Yiling, I saw. Tan Shirley. Sit Ailing, every day will be there now. Sit Ailing. Tan Mei Chen, where's Tan Mei Chen? Tan Mei Chen gone or not? Tan Mei Chen also not here. What happened to her? Tan Mei Chen? Mu also not here. Mu here or not? Mu
Yes.
Zixiang. Yes, very good. Mu, get your friend to come now. Wait. Mok Chui Xian is there. Okay, Mok. Very good. Ong Jia Xin. Okay lah, David, Dennis, now come in. Okay, come. This one we finish already, Okay, next one we move on. Okay, next one is a calculation question. Okay, I use this paper lah, Okay, come. One, All right, this question. Okay, sorry, hold on, Okay, it's here. The question is here. Okay, a thermometer which is not calibrated. Can you all see the whole question or not? Can you see the whole question? Can or not? Amanda, can you see the whole question or not?
Yes, sir.
Can a thermometer which is not calibrated. Not calibrated means haven't marked the scale. The scale on thermometer is not marked yet. They say not calibrated. As mercury column 5 cm and temperature is 0. Here is 0. Cannot see. 25 cm and temperature is 100. So you put there now. L0, length of mercury when temperature 0.5 cm. Length of the mercury when temperature 100 is 25. So you put L0 is 5 cm, L100 is 25 cm. Stand for the length of the mercury. Okay, now the mercury column now is 12 cm when you put in the liquid X. So determine the temperature. Okay, now there are three things I remember. L0 5 cm, L100 25 cm. Now L theta 12 cm. So what is temperature theta? So use this formula. You learn this formula, right? L theta minus L0 divided by L100 minus L0 times 100 degree. So L theta is 12 cm, L0 5 cm, L100 25 cm, L0 5 times 100 degree. So you get the answer 35. Okay, copy the answer, please. Yeah, can understand all? Okay, come. Then second part. State the thermometric property used when making the thermometer. Okay, you all remember or not? What is thermometric property? What is that all? You all remember or not? What is the meanings of thermometric property? A lot of things you all need to know, Okay, come, I want to hear from someone here. Okay, Eng, all size one, Eng, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Good morning, Eng. Eng, do you remember what is thermometric property?
I forget already.
Forget already. Ayo. Okay, never mind. Ask another one. Okay. What is thermometric property? Darren Chin, are you there? Darren?
Yes, sir.
Darren, do you know what is thermometric property?
A physical quantity which changes with
Never mind, you say you speak slowly. What is that?
a physical quantity which changes
Which physical quantity
changes
with?
with temperature.
Never mind, I cannot hear no. Okay, never mind, I explain, listen. Okay, thermometric property is a physical quantity, like just now Darren say lah. This physical quantity will change, when the temperature changes. For example, like this the mercury thermometer, right? Mercury thermometer lah, the mercury, the volume of mercury will expand when the temperature rises. Correct not? You see now in the thermometer, the mercury thermometer, right? What will change together with the change in the temperature? That one is the volume of the mercury, correct not? The mercury will expand when temperature go up. So this is thermometric property, understand? Okay, come, take down the answer. Where is the answer? Here, no. Volume expand, okay, please state volume of mercury, right here now. Volumes of mercury expands with temperature, that is the thermometric property, okay? The volume of mercury expand with the temperature, yeah? So the question T1, 1 in Kelvin, sorry, okay, later we go back, think. Question T1, 1 in Kelvin, okay, never see, yes, it's already here, the answer here, change to Kelvin. Just now our answer 35, right? You change to Kelvin, plus 273, so you get 308 Kelvin. Understand? Okay, you got the answer here. Sorry, I didn't see properly the question. If the answer 1 is in Kelvin, so you change, okay? Change to Kelvin, okay? Add 273, so you get 308 Kelvin, okay? Thank you, Eng. Yeah. Okay, come, next question. Next question, another SPM question. I think more or less the same law. Diagram show a thermometer clinic used by the doctor to check temperature. So same thing again, put inside the mouth. What is meant by temperature? You should know the answer already, right? What is temperature? Amanda Lee, please. Amanda, what is temperature?
Temperature is the degree of measurement of hotness.
Yes, correct. Degree of measurements of hotness. Yes, correct. Okay, this one done already. Okay, next. According to the principle of thermal equilibrium and working principle of thermometer, explain how doctor, okay, same. Okay, you don't need to write the answer anymore, so you just write same as the previous answer. It's the same 4 marks question. We have done this also just now. Starting from when the thermometer put inside the mouth, so what happened is the same answer. So you just stick there. But in exam, you don't do that, You say same answer as previous section. Okay, So this one done. Next one. Next one, I want you to do now. Can you do the calculation? I think also the same, no? Same like just now. L05 cm, no? Same I think it's the same. L100 is 25 cm. The mercury column now, L theta is 12 cm. So what is the temperature? Is the same, same answer also. Okay. The next one, determine the temperature in Kelvin. Is the same now, same like just now, like exactly the same. Why they give the same question? Same, huh? So the answer is here, lor. Okay, now. Same like just now, okay? So the answer is here now. Oh, the answer here. Okay, the calculation, final answer 308 Kelvin. Okay. So this one finished. Everyone, same answer like just now. Okay, I think we move on to the next. The last part. This one I think is not the same, right? It's different already. Okay, now. Table show the characteristics of thermometer PQRST. So you ask to choose also. Research project carry out weather surrounding temperature now -65 to 20 degrees. So measure the temperature between -65 to 20 now. So which one are you going to choose? Now freezing point. Okay, you know freezing point must be low. What about boiling point now? Boiling point. Color of the liquid and thickness of the glass wall bulb. This one same you already know. Okay. Now let me hear your opinions. Freezing point, how to choose freezing point? Michelle Chua. Michelle, can you come out please, Michelle?
Yes, sir.
Michelle, freezing point, how to choose?
More than -65 degrees. Less.
Yes, correct. Choose low freezing point. The freezing point must be lower than -65. Okay, lower than -65 now. So you say low freezing point. Reason, if freezing point lower than -65, it must be lower because this is lower than -65. You can measure temperature. You can measure the lowest temperature. Okay, the reason is freezing point lower than -65. You can measure lowest temperature. Okay, that's all. Next one, boiling point. What about boiling point? Boiling point, how to choose? Okay, I hear someone from. Okay. Joy Lim. Joy Lim, can you come out, please? Joy Lim. Joy Lim not there already. Where are you, Joy Lim? Okay, never mind. Let's hear from Jiaxin. Ong Jiaxin. Ong
Yes, sir.
Ong Jiaxin. Good morning. Can you tell me boiling point, how? The thermometer boiling point, how you choose? How you choose a boiling point?
The highest one.
Highest. Your temperature need to be actually correct now. Your statement you say high boiling point. Yes, correct. High boiling point. You choose high boiling point now. Then what is the reason now? How you give your reason choose high boiling point, Justin? How you state the reason that you choose high boiling point? See here? Look at the cursor I put here. This one.
Higher than 20.
Correct. The freezing point must be higher than 20 degrees. Higher than 20 degrees means the thermometer can measure the highest temperature of 20 degrees. Okay, correct. Thank you, Ong. Okay, next one, the color pula. Color of the liquid, how you choose? What color you want? Opaque, colorless, clear red. So which one to choose? What color you want to choose? Nicholas, are you here? Nicholas, please come out. Nicholas, what color you want to choose?
Clear red.
Nicholas?
Red.
Red, yes, clear red color. Okay. Normally, alcohol is clear red color one now. Okay, but what is the reason you choose red color, Nicholas?
Easy to get the reading.
Easy to see, easy to read lah, correct lah, huh? Okay, the last one, thickness of the glass ball. Thickness, how to choose thickness? Okay, come, let's hear from Lachmi. Lachmi Chong, are you there? Lachmi Chong, or not here? Just now I saw her. Okay, never mind lah. Lim Yan Ming, are you there? Yan Ming? Yan Ming not there already. Okay, never mind lah. Ho Wan Yin, please come up. Ho Wan Yin, she always hiding behind there. Okay, come up. Ho Wan Yin.
Sir.
Ho Wan Yin, thickness of glass ball. How?
Thin.
Thin. Okay, very good. Thin. Reason?
More sensitive to heat.
Yeah, more sensitive to heat because the glass is thin, right? The heat can go inside, go into the thermometer faster. So more sensitive lah. Okay, thank you. Okay, now answer. Okay, now the answer is here. Okay, please copy. First one, low freezing point, lower than -65. Reason, prevent liquid freeze at -65. Okay. It's okay lah, huh? Must be low freezing point lower than -65. The reason, prevent the liquid freezes at -65. Okay, second one. High boiling point must be higher than 20 lah. Not easy to boil. Thermometer can use to record temperature at 20 degrees. The highest temperature still can be measured. Here got two, either one correct. Very lucky. Opaque or clear red. Okay, both correct. Easy to observe the reading of thermometer. Okay, when this is opaque and not transparent, easy to see. Red color also easy to see, right? And last, thin glass ball, more sensitive to heat. Okay, so you choose R, then repeat again lah. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. Okay, next. That's all. Okay, so we still have a few more minutes. Okay, come. This paper. This one is set 4. I think it's set 4, correct not? Do you all have this paper? Or Wan Yin have this paper or not?
Yes, sir.
Got you printed out or not? Wan Yin?
Yes.
Okay, good. I hope everybody also printed it out. Okay, come, we look at this question. Diagram show Ali standing at the side of the pond. Okay, Ali standing here. Ali can see the image of the fish and the image of dragonfly in the sky. Okay, now like that now. You see what happened now? the fish are actually the light from the fish, then refracted, then Ali see the fish is here. This is an image. Whereas the dragonfly Ebola is like that. The original dragonfly is here. So the light hit the surface of the water. This is total internal reflection. You see or not? Because this angle incident must be greater than the critical angle already lah. Actually, this one shouldn't happen one, you know. This one is reflection, not total internal reflection, sorry. It's normal reflection only. Because total internal reflection, the light must move from denser to less dense. This is not denser to less dense. This is less dense to denser. So this is just a normal reflection. So the water surface will reflect the light. This is normal reflection. This is reflection. Reflect, then Ali see in a straight line, so the image is here. Okay, so remember this is reflection. This is refraction, F-R-A-C. Okay. First question, short definition one, I told you. What is virtual image? 1 minute to think of it now. What is virtual image? And number 2, explain how Ali can see the image of the fish and the image of dragonfly. State the phenomenon of light involved. Okay, now I give you 2-3 minutes to think of the answer. Okay, get ready now. Okay, everyone, please. Get ready, huh? Okay, jot down your, use pencil, jot down on a piece of paper your answer, okay? Okay. Got it already? Okay, now you check your answer, class, okay? Check. I hope I get the answer here, because, okay, now, here. Virtual is means cannot be shown or captured on the screen. That's called virtual image. Cannot be captured on the screen. Virtual means cannot be captured or shown on the screen. Okay, cannot be shown on the screen, cannot be captured on the screen. That's called virtual. Okay, the second part, the explanation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. First one, ray from the face refract. Okay, this spelling is not correct. Please change. Refract, F-R-A-C. You don't have F-R-A-C, refracted. Refracted. Ray of the fish refracted before enter the eyes of the observer. Okay, and then the phenomenon involved is refraction. And for dragonfly, light ray from dragonfly reflected. F-L-E-C, reflected, reflect. Reflect, I think the spelling is also correct. Not correct, reflect. Okay, reflected. So the phenomenon involved is reflection. Okay, reflection. Okay. So this one I think okay 4 marks question. Okay. All right, next question. Calculate the angle theta and alpha. Where is theta and alpha? Find this angle and find this angle. Okay. This angle, I think very easy lah. Here 30, so here 50, right? When this angle is 50, this one also definitely the same lah. 50, so no, sorry, this is 60, sorry. 60, okay? So here is also 60, okay? So here 60, so here 60 is okay lah. Then what about alpha? How to find this angle? Okay, to find this angle, use n equal to sine I over sine R, okay? I sine I over sine R. Because reflective index given 1.33. So you can use n equal sine I divided by sine R. Okay, remember now, when you are using this formula, the angle I must be bigger than the R. Okay, must always remember when you are using this formula, the angle on top must be bigger than the angle at the bottom. Okay, n equal to sine I over sine R. Okay, so the answer is like this. Okay. First one, 60. Second one, sine alpha over sine 40. So you get 58.75. Okay, Okay, last part before I stop. One characteristics of image of the dragonfly. We ask dragonfly characteristic. Okay, this one is reflection, right? Reflection. So these characteristics, okay, there are few answers here. You can choose anyone. It's either virtual, same size, same distance, or laterally inverted. This is like the image formed by mirror lah, because reflection, isn't it? So it's either virtual, same size, same distance, or laterally inverted. Okay? Laterally inverted. Okay. Get all the answer already. So I think I have to stop now. Okay? Stop now, class. Okay, so I come back here again. Okay, 4 science 1, 4 science 3. I know you have another lesson, so I need to stop now lah. Okay, so thank you everyone. Good morning and thank you everyone. Those who haven't sent your attendance, please send it now. Okay, send your attendance now. Okay. So take good care of yourself. Enjoy your lesson. Study well. Okay. So I see you next week now. Okay. Bye bye. 4 science 1, 4 science 3. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
okay,
you, sir.
bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Bye bye.
sir.
Okay. Bye.